Hi all, how are you today? Today the third lesson in the tutorial of learning Python for beginners. So today we will see basics mathematical operations that you will need. So let's start. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more videos. So we have many basics operations, mathematical operations. So the first is assignment. So let's take an example like a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 5. So let's say c is equal to a plus b. So now let's print C and let's see. So it will be display 10. So let's see. So as we see, it's display 10. The second is subtraction. So let's take an example. A is equal to 5 and b is equal to 5. Let's say that c is equal to a subtracted by b, and let's say the result. So it's surely display 0. And the third is multiplication. So let's say that a multiplied by b, and let's see the result. So it's 25. And the fourth is division. So the normal division. So let's say that let's change here a by 10, and let's say that c is equal to a divided by b, and let's see the result. Print c. So it's surely 2. So as we see, it's float with the virgule. So this is the normal division, and we have the let's change another number that will give us a result with virgule. Let's say 7, and let's see the result. So it's 1.4. So now let's the fifth mathematical operation is the division, Euclidean division. So its symbol is 2 of the symbol of the division here b. So now it's normally show 1 only 1. So as we see, it's show only 1, and then we have the rest of the division. Its symbol is this. Where is it? Is this, and here now it will show the rest of the division, which is 2. The rest of the division is 2. And at the last one is the power. Let's say that a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. Let's say that a power b. So now it's normally show 16. Let's see. So it shows 16. Thanks for watching, and wait for the next videos for more lessons and more videos. Goodbye.